Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you're dealing with a delayed paycheck and aren't sure how to raise the issue professionally, this video will help you write a clear and respectful salary delay complaint letter. It's never easy to complain about a salary delay, especially when you still want to maintain a good relationship with your employer. That's why it's important to approach the issue formally but tactfully. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire letter, step by step, using our trusted template format. Let's get started. Sender's information. Identify yourself clearly. The letter begins with your personal and professional information. This section ensures the recipient knows exactly who is sending the letter and makes it easy for them to respond or take action. Here's what to include at the top. Your full name, your job title, department name, company name, your email address, your phone number. Why is this section so important? Because even if your manager knows you personally, this format keeps the letter formal and ensures a record of communication. Including your job title and department also helps identify your position in the company structure, which can be useful if the letter gets forwarded to HR or finance. Date, record the timeline. After listing your contact details, leave a space and write the date. This part is crucial because it marks when the complaint was made. It becomes a point of reference if there are follow-ups or if you need to escalate the issue later. Always be sure to use the correct date when you send the letter. Recipient's details. Address the right person. Now we include the recipient's full information, usually your direct manager or supervisor. Make sure you address the correct person who has the authority to respond to your concern. Format it like this. 2. Manager's full name, manager's job title, company name, company address. This formal block helps route the letter to the right department if it's handled through official HR channels. Be sure to get your manager's title and the company address right to maintain professionalism. Subject line. State the purpose clearly. Next is the subject line. This line tells the reader exactly what the letter is about. Subject, formal complaint regarding salary delay. You don't want to be vague here. A direct subject like this helps your letter stand out and get the attention it deserves, especially if your manager or HR receives multiple emails a day. It also helps if the letter is stored or filed for records. Salutation, open respectfully. Now let's move to the salutation. Dear manager's name, keep it professional. Use the manager's first name if your company culture is informal, or the full name if it's more traditional. This sets the tone for a serious but respectful message. Opening paragraph. Describe the issue. In the first paragraph, we explain the problem, the salary delay. Here's what the template says. I am writing to formally bring to your attention an ongoing concern regarding the delay in the disbursement of my salary for the month of mention the month and year. As of today, insert date, I have not received the payment that is due, and this delay has caused financial difficulty and uncertainty on my end. Let's break that down. Start with a calm and formal tone. I am writing to formally bring to your attention. This shows you're being respectful, not confrontational. Then be specific. Mention the month and year of the delayed salary and today's date, making the situation clear and traceable. The final part of the paragraph. This delay has caused financial difficulty and uncertainty on my end, expresses the impact without sounding emotional or aggressive. It shows how the delay affects your ability to manage your finances and builds the case for why this issue needs prompt attention. Second paragraph, highlight your professionalism. The next paragraph helps balance your complaint with a reminder of your commitment to your job. I have always remained committed to my responsibilities and have consistently fulfilled my duties with diligence and professionalism. Timely salary payments are essential for managing personal obligations, and any delay disrupts financial planning and affects overall morale. Why include this? Because it reminds your employer that you've been performing your duties reliably. You're showing that you're not just asking for something. You've also held up your side of the employment agreement. It helps protect your reputation and shows you're making this complaint in good faith. Then, the second sentence emphasizes the importance of timely salary payments, not just for you, but for any employee. You're making it clear that it's not just an inconvenience, it's something that affects planning and morale, which are important to the whole work environment. Third paragraph, make a clear, polite request. In the third paragraph, you formally request action and ask for transparency. I kindly request that this matter be addressed as soon as possible and that any underlying issues leading to the delay be communicated clearly. I would also appreciate it if you could provide an expected timeline for the release of the pending payment. This is a powerful paragraph because it's direct but polite. You're asking for three things: that the issue be addressed quickly, that the cause of the delay be explained, that a payment timeline be shared. All three requests are reasonable and professional. By asking for a timeline, you show that you're not demanding instant resolution. You're asking for clarity and planning, which is very appropriate in the workplace. Closing paragraph. End on a positive note. The final paragraph of the body brings the letter to a respectful close. Thank you for your attention to this matter. I trust the company values the contributions of its employees and will take prompt action to resolve this issue. I look forward to a positive response. This section wraps up your message in a constructive way. You express appreciation. Thank you for your attention, which softens the tone. Then you reaffirm your trust in the company and express hope for a resolution. By ending on a positive note, you maintain professionalism and keep the door open for a respectful dialogue. Closing, sign off properly. Now let's end the letter with a formal sign-off. Sincerely, your full name. Employee ID if applicable. The word sincerely is professional and appropriate for workplace communication. Add your full name, and if your company uses employee IDs, include that as well. It helps HR or payroll process your case more efficiently. And that's how you write a clear and professional salary delay complaint letter. Remember, the goal of this letter is not to vent frustration. It's to raise a valid concern in a respectful and constructive way. By following the structure we covered today, you make it easier for your manager or HR team to understand the issue, process your complaint, and hopefully resolve it quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Writing Practices for more practical letter writing guides, cover letters, resumes, and workplace communication tips. If you've ever dealt with a late salary and have suggestions or questions, drop them in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.